pianoforte recital given by the pupils of Miss Jovita B.
Ate
Tantoco.
Loli and December 26, 1939, recital of Ate Loli. Recital of Kuya Chito, 1939, December. Tantoco family, taken 1956 in front of the Hudson. Taken at the Luneta in front of the Hudson, the Tantoco family of Tatay Akin and Inay Bidang. September 1957, the great profile, Chito Tantoco. Ding, Emmy, Ate Loli, Kuya Chito. San Ramon, Palawan, Ding, Emmy, no, Ding, Kuya Chito, Ate Loli, Emmy, and Ding in Palawan. Taken at Daloneta, Chito and his siblings, Jim, Ding, and Junior. Chito and Junior in front of the Hudson at the elliptical load going to UP.
1935.
Taken at San Ramon Beach, Zamboanga. San Ramon, Zamboanga.
Boyfriend, girlfriend na.
Chito